Hey guys. So I have some information to share with you from Mr. McHugh and the school district. I was in a staff meeting this morning where I got some information for you. Please ignore the dog barking. My house is crazy right now, as I'm sure we're doing the best that we can, right? So okay, so first thing is third quarter is over. First thing, third quarter is over. You have survived first, second, and third quarter. Fourth quarter, we weren't quite sure what was going to happen for fourth quarter. Was it going to happen? Was it not? Fourth quarter is happening. I am recording this on April 1st. This is not an April Fool's joke. New content is going to start on April 2nd. From all of your teachers. All teachers are expected to be teaching new content. So please make sure that you are logging in to your classes and getting your work done. One thing that I want to say about that is going along with all new content, all teachers have to now give their content on Canvas. So your teachers might ask you to do a little bit of Google Classroom stuff, like go there, check announcements, do something. I'm not sure, but I know we are required to provide you with new material through Canvas. So first thing, third quarter's over. Second thing, fourth quarter starts tomorrow, which is April 2nd. Third thing, new material. And fourth thing, everything's going to be new on Canvas. Okay. The next thing I want to talk to you about is fourth quarter grades and how you are going to be expected to be graded. So a couple things. We are very fortunate at McClintock to have Chromebooks and hotspots and McPi and community support, but a lot of schools are not as fortunate. So to make sure that people are not being punished basically for not having the materials that they need to, you will get grades for fourth quarter, but the grades are going to come slightly different. There's not going to be any formal grades for fourth quarter, as I've been told. The only thing I can put in the grade book for you is informal grades. So quizzes can still count as informal grades. Your assignments in Canvas, all of that, those will all be informal, but you will be graded for fourth quarter. That's important because you guys are all going to high school and we want to make sure that you have what you need as far as material wise to be prepared for ninth grade. And then also those of you who play sports have that GPA that you can work with for fourth quarter. So there's that part. So everything's moving in Canvas. You're going to have new material. The grades are going to be informal for right now. Everything keeps changing pretty regularly, but right now this is the plan for fourth quarter. The next thing that I want to show you is there has been a district-wide how we are going to deliver the content as well as how much time is expected of each of you to have FaceTime with your teachers, to contact your teachers, and to make sure that you are still getting that seat time with new information so the state knows that you did your work and you can move on. So I'm showing you this. This is really kind of confusing at first, but let me walk you through it. So we're really just going to focus on this part down here. Okay. So from now on, your teachers are going to be expected to be available to you at these specific times. This is the teacher version of it. Mr. McHugh said there's a student version that's going to come to you, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what I have. So what this means is that Monday, you log into your computer and you are going to see direct instruction. We're down here, right? So Monday afternoon, okay, you are going to be getting direct instruction from your math teachers from 1 to 3:30. This could mean a couple different things. This could mean that they made a video, like a screencastify video, kind of how I'm doing right now, to teach you, not for that full hour and a half, but this is that time set aside for you to work specifically with math. So if you have Bigly or if you have DLP, you'll log in, they'll give you a little mini lesson, they'll direct you where you need to go, and what you are expected to do to show mastery, right? So, and that's where those informal grades come in. Tuesday, you are going to be meeting with your language arts teacher from 1 to 3:30. Wednesday, you are going to first be with Miss Times from 12:30 to 2, and then 2 to 3:30 for me. I promise you I'm not going to keep you online for an hour and a half, but at 2 o'clock, bet your sweet pumpkins, whatever that means, you need to log into Canvas at 2 o'clock on Wednesday, because there might be a Google Meet, or there might be a screencast file, or it might be just something that I need to show you, because we are about to jump back into chemistry to do that. To 3:30 time, I'm not going to keep you online till 3:30. That's just that work time. So you have a protected hour and a half every week to work just on site. Okay. All right. So Thursday, you are going to be doing your electives from 12 to 12:30, and then B day 12:30 to 1. Friday, there is no time scheduled for you to be getting direct instruction from your teachers. Okay. You can still do work Friday. You should still do work Friday if you missed something or you didn't get to it or whatever. But teachers are asked not to schedule any actual screen time with you on those days. Still check Canvas, see if you got anything to do assignment wise. Okay. Notice here, student services hours, that's Mr. Logan, that's the social worker, that's Miss Crock, anybody that is support staff for the school, they're going to be available to you from 11 to 1 every day, and Fridays by appointment. You don't have to worry about this. Is for me, this is staff meetings. Teacher office hours, this up here in pink, this is really important for you to see. So that means that if you have a question for me, obviously, if you have a question for me, you can always send me a remind. You can always send me an email. I'm always available, because where else do I have to go right now? But that's the time where I will probably be setting up. Let's see here. So it's going to be science 9 to 10:30. So an hour and a half. I'll probably just open up a Google Meet if you want to pop in and ask me a question. If you need me to go back over something with you, then Thursday morning is when you're going to do that. So in the morning times, it's your time to have office hours. So your teacher will be there for you to answer questions, emails, whatever. From 9 to 11. So Monday is electives, Tuesday math, Wednesday language arts, Thursday myself and Miss Times, right? And then no office hours Friday. Again, you can still email me anytime you want. I might not answer if it's in the middle of the night, but I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, so that's that. I know it looks really confusing. I'm still trying to process it. But listen, we are all just honestly doing the very best we can, right? We're all stuck at the house. We're all hopefully healthy. I hope you're getting outside as much as you can at the very least, just so that you can, get some fresh air, go for a walk around the neighborhood. Don't go hang out with people. Social distancing is very important. But I hope you are all doing very well. Truly, if you have any questions about this, I'm sure you have questions about this. I'm going to turn this little video into a YouTube so that you can watch it. Anyways, I'll see you soon.